Hi Ray, thanks for doing the work on the website. I just got some feedback, so I'll just quickly. Firstly, yes, I can see this is longer now, which is great. The triangle has reappeared. Could we just take away that triangle again as a first step, and then I'll go back. Okay, so clicking on these now is working. Oh, great, well it was. Yeah, as you can see there, still not right. I was going to say that all of them were okay except for Mount Field National Park. I can see there that that one wasn't right, but upon this cache refresh, that one's no good either. No. Let me just pause the video for a second. Okay, so I've tried to clear the cache several times, and so I'll go to the page. And then I'll come back. And yeah, depending on how I clear the cache, different markers sometimes work and other ones don't work. This one pretty much never works, the one down there. So doesn't look like it's fixed yet. If you could have a look at that. I've just checked, I've logged in, made some marker selections, logged out, cleared the cache, logged back in, and the markers are still there, so that looks like it's saving into the database, so that's good. So I'll leave it with you. Let me know if you've got any questions. Great. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.